Yeah, I'm called Cholai. I'm the one who's going to take you in this video tutorial on how to create a database in PHP and how you link your PHP with your HTML. Now here, you open your, before you do any creation, you open local disk, open XAMPP. In XAMPP you'll get where it is written 80 dots, you open. Then you create a folder called family db. Now here you come to your database, you open your database, then you open your database, then you create a database name which is called family db, which I have already created here, and you also create a table which is a sibling called sibling. After creating this in your database php, then you come to your VS Code, you import that folder you created in XAMPP 80 dots, you import it here, then it will appear in capital letters like this. Then you click here where it is written new file, then you write sibling, because you are dealing with the family and then you're focusing on sibling. Write sibling, you create sibling.php, which I've already created here. Let's click and see, which is here. Then from here now you open your cache and you write HTML hits, which is the sibling system. Then you close your head body, you write field sets, legends, which is sibling registrations, and form. You make your form now. This form have to be equivalent with the details that are in a sibling table in your PHP, whereby when you are inputting, you will input the name which is in the sibling table. You will have a sibling name. Then here you will also put the date of birth, which is be equivalent to one which is in the sibling table date of birth. Then you will also put the status, marital status. Then you open your case, select, then you say marital status. Then you put this option of married, and you also put this option of single. You can even up to divorce as much as you want. You can also put another option as divorce, but for the sake of mine, I've decided to do it like this. Now you also come to gender, the same things, also the same options of male and female. Then now you close. You also come to your PHP. You write the PHP codes, whereby it will enable it to connect with so that you will have the capacity to connect it with your HTML. You write here require once. Then you say database connection PHP. Then the isets, if iset post, then it will be submitting the sibling details. This is what you will do. Then you write this variable from name, date of birth, status, gender. Then you put what is there in your table, in your database table. In your database table, you put the detail of sibling, which is the sibling name, sibling date of birth, sibling marital status, and gender. Now also the information when you insert how will it work. So you put that information that you are going to insert. You say insert into the sibling name, sibling date of birth, sibling marital status, and gender. And you also put the values, which are the variables. Then you will have the variable names, the variable date of birth, variable status, and gender. Then you have to check if that one will work. We say if MySQL query, then you put the variable, the variable db, and also in the information, which is the database. And you also confirm that this one will be successfully, or else you will check your code again. Then after you finish that, you come to your family in your VS Code. Then you click where it will indicate new file. Then you create dv connect php, which I have already done it here. Then you write your PHP codes of connection here. After you are done with this, then we just come here to your brother. Then you'll now look for the interface where you're going to insert. Then you say local this localhost sorry localhost stock. Then you put your PHP, sorry, not PHP. Then you put your family dv stocks. Then you say sibling.php. After you are done with this, when you enter, it will give you this everything, the sibling name, which you enter before in your HTML, date of birth, status. Now let's just put a name here. Let's say we are going to put Mary 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 Lado Mary Lado Mary Lado. Then you say this little sibling was born in 2006 December on 6. Then you say she's now married. Then you say she's a female. The register. Yeah, when you see recorded successfully inserted, that means the thing is working. Then you open your localhost and you refresh. Then you will get the Mary Lado, which is here in your sibling table. You also go in and insert his brother, which is John, which is John John Lado. You say this little sibling. This little sibling was born in 2005 on October on 11th. Then you say this little sibling is single. He is single and is a male. Then you now register. Then you open your localhost. You refresh. Then you will see John Lado, who was born 2005 and is single. Now, we are going to end from here. This is how you work on it. Thank you. We shall continue next time.